Hey, what's up guys? Mike from Sound of Tri-State in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Just wanted to show you this killer 2020 Harley Roadglide that just came all the way from Baltimore to see us. This guy had this bike built. They didn't really do as much audio as he wanted, so he decided to contact us. We're going to take this thing to the next level as far as sound. So what we're going to be doing is adding Hertz speakers and tweeters in the lowers. We're going to be doing another set of 8-inch Hertz mids and tweeters in the lid. We're going to be installing 2 more amplifiers in the bag here. We're going to do a 400 watt to drive the tweeters and a 800 watt to run the mids. He's got a DSP already installed in the fairing, which we'll run everything off of. This bike should be ready for our show, which is at our Folsom location. It's going to be 11 to 6 this Saturday, the 15th. So if you guys have a bike, you want to enter it, please bring it down. If you don't want to enter, you don't have a bike, you're more than welcome. We want you to come by. We're going to have a lot of food, really cool stuff to check out. And this bike will be there as well, so you can come take a listen to it and see what the completed product looks like. All right, guys, I will be posting.